A gentleman has 6 friends. In how many ways can he invite one or more friends? The solution is 2 to the power 6 minus 1. Suppose we have to select 3 from these 5, that is A, B, C, D, E. If we want to select 3 from these 5, so we have 3 places, and if we fix any place with any fixed letter, suppose in this case if we fix the first position with A, what will be happen? In that case we have this 4 letter to fill these 2 position. So in case of conditional combination, if we want to fix any position with any fixed letter, that will be subtracted from the total and also the selecting group. So the formula for conditional combination for this case is to find the number of combination of n different things taken r at a time, in which p particular things are always included, where p is always less than or equal to r. In that case, the formula will be C n minus p r minus p. According to the combination formula, we can easily find the value of C n minus p r minus p, and the value will be n minus p factorial divided by r minus p factorial into n minus r factorial. Here we have to subtract this p from n and from r. That is, we have to subtract this p particular thing which will be always included from these n different things and taken group, that is r. We have to select r minus p from n minus p things. Let's see one example of this formula, that is, in how many ways the letters of the word triangle taking 4 letters at a time can be selected where r is always included. The solution is the total letters in the word triangle is 8, where all are different. So we have to select 4 letters from 8 letters, but the condition here, r is always included. According to the formula, we have to subtract this r from the total and the selected group. That is, we have to select 4 minus 1, that is 3 letter from 8 minus 1 from 7 letter. So the value will be C7, 3. Then according to the formula, we can write 1 into 2 into 3 and 7 into 6 into 5, which is equal to 35. To find the number of combination of n different things taken r at a time, in which p particular things will never occur, when the condition is p is always less than or equal to r. In this case, the value will be C n minus p r, which is equal to, according to the formula, n minus p factorial r factorial multiplying with n minus p minus r factorial. Here the condition is p particular things will never occur. That's why we have to subtract this p from the total group. We have to exclude these p particular things from the total. In that case, this p particular thing will never occur. Let's see one example of this conditional combination. In how many ways the letters of the word triangle taking 4 letters at a time can be selected where r is always excluded? The solution is total letters in the word triangle is 8 and all are different. So we have to select 4 letters from 8 letters, and the condition is r is always excluded. So we have to exclude this r from the total value. That is, we have to select 4 letters from 8 minus 1 letter, that is from 7 letter. So according to the formula, the result will be C7, 4. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and in numerator that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 35. Again, another conditional combination. To find the number of combination of n different things taken at least one each time, the value will be 2 to the power n minus 1. So in this case, we have to select at least one from these n different things. For each selection, there are two ways. Either we can select or we not select. From n number of things, each can be taken or denied. Decision about each of the things can be taken in two ways. So the total number of ways taking n things, that is, the 2 is multiplied n times, which is equal to 2 to the power n. But among these ways, there is a way in which all things are denied, which is not acceptable. That's why we have to subtract 1 from this 2 to the power n. So the total number of combination is 2 to the power n minus 1. Let's see one example of this type of conditional combination. A gentleman has 6 friends. In how many ways can he invite one or more friends? The solution is 2 to the power 6 minus 1, which is equal to 64 minus 1, which is equal to 63. So the way of inviting of 6 friends is 63. We can solve this problem in another way. That is, the gentleman can invite 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 persons at a time out of his 6 friends. So in this case, the way of invitation is we have to select 1 from 6 plus we have to select 2 from 6 plus 3 from 6 plus 4 from 6 plus 5 from 6 plus 6 from 6. That is C61 plus C62 plus C63 plus C64 plus C65 plus C66. In that case, also the result will be 63.